Make your Gamma presentations more data-driven with the Microsoft Excel integration. You can seamlessly incorporate Excel spreadsheets within your presentations, documents, and websites. The Excel integration opens up exciting possibilities. For data analysts, enhance your reporting process by embedding Excel spreadsheets into your presentations. Share complex data and analysis with stakeholders in an accessible format through interactive documents. For finance teams, streamline your financial reporting by incorporating budget trackers and forecasts directly in your pitch decks. For project managers, improve your team updates by embedding project trackers and timelines in your presentations. Create comprehensive dashboards that team members can reference through shared documents or team websites. Let's learn more about it. How to add the integration. First, let's prepare your Excel file for sharing. Upload your Excel file to OneDrive or SharePoint. Once your file is open, click on File, go to the Share option, and select Embed this workbook. Click Generate to obtain an embed code, and copy the embed code. Now you can add your Excel spreadsheet to Gamma in two ways. Use Gamma's /command. Type /Excel or /Office and paste your embed code. The spreadsheet will appear in your presentation. Use the Insert menu. Navigate to the Embed Apps and Web Pages section and find the Office 365 option. Drag and drop the component to your desired location, then add your embed code. Now, let's explore how to maximize this integration. Tips and tricks. Once you've inserted your Excel spreadsheet, click on the Advanced option to access additional configuration settings. Here, you can adjust the display settings and metadata, particularly useful when showcasing spreadsheets on websites. You can also click on the display options to choose different ways to showcase your content. Embed displays the live spreadsheet within your Gamma. Preview shows the link with a title and description. Button attaches the spreadsheet link to a button. Link displays the regular URL. Gamma's versatility allows you to combine multiple components. For instance, dragging one Excel sheet on top of another creates a dynamic gallery to showcase your content. You can also insert sheets within other components like columns, tables, and even smart layouts. And that's how you integrate Gamma with Microsoft Excel. It's quick, easy, and incredibly powerful for creating data-driven content that combines analytical depth with visual impact. Try it today at gamma.app and experience a new way of presenting ideas, powered by AI.